Hello friends, today we will install full version of Topaz Video AI easily. So let's get started. Usually Topaz Video AI costs $299 for a lifetime license. But you can get full version by clicking the link in the description. Don't worry about safety. All software is pre-tested, scanned with multiple antiviruses, and confirmed working by our community. Just go to the site, follow the instructions, and download the file. By the way, you'll find tons of other premium software available for free on the same site. Everything is working and tested for functionality before being posted. Just click on the site thumbnail to explore. Unzip the archive using the password from the site, and your Topaz Video AI is ready to go. Now let me show you how amazing everything works. With Topaz Video AI, you get the ultimate AI-powered video enhancement experience without any limitations. Everything works flawlessly, from upscaling old footage to 4K and 8K to removing noise and stabilizing shaky videos. Here are the main advantages of Topaz Video AI. AI upscaling to 8K. Enlarge videos up to 600% while adding real detail, not just blur. Frame interpolation. Convert 24 frames per second to 60 frames per second, or even 120 frames per second, with smooth, natural motion. De-interlacing. Convert old interlaced footage to progressive scan perfectly. Motion blur reduction. Sharpen fast-moving objects and reduce motion artifacts. Video stabilization. Eliminate camera shake with AI-powered analysis. Noise and grain removal. Clean up low-light footage while preserving details. Face recovery. Enhance and sharpen facial features in low-quality videos. Multiple AI models. Choose from Artemis, Proteus, Gaia, and more for different footage types. Batch processing. Enhance hundreds of videos overnight with queue management. GPU acceleration. Uses NVIDIA, AMD, and Intel graphics cards for faster processing. Preview comparisons. See before and after results in real time before rendering. Professional codecs. Export in ProRes, DNxHR, H.264, H.265, and more. No internet required. All AI processing happens locally on your computer. Best of all, this version is completely clean. No malware, no minors, just the full version working exactly like the official one. The software also includes restore old family videos from VHS, DVD, or early digital cameras. Upscale HD content to 4K for modern TVs without quality loss. Convert old TV shows and movies to high definition. Fix compression artifacts from streaming and downloads. Enhance security camera and dash cam footage for clarity. Process RAW video formats directly. Custom AI model combinations for specific needs. Command line interface for workflow automation. You could use the trial version instead, but you'll face serious limitations. Watermark on all exported videos, making them unusable. Limited to 30-second previews only. No batch processing for multiple files. Restricted access to premium AI models. No commercial use allowed. Trial expires after 30 days, or pay $299 upfront. That's a huge investment just to enhance your videos. Here's what makes this incredible. Traditional upscaling just makes pixels bigger, creating blurry results. Topaz Video AI actually generates new detail using artificial intelligence trained on millions of videos. It can make 480p footage look like native 4K, bring back details and faces that were just pixels before, and turn choppy footage into smooth, slow motion. You can find Topaz Video AI and other premium software on the site. Link in the pinned comment below. We update our collection weekly with Topaz Photo AI, Gigapixel AI, DaVinci Resolve Studio, and more professional tools. If this video was helpful, hit the like button and ring the notification bell for new releases. Check out our other videos for more amazing software. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new Topaz Video AI.